I mean, can you believe how good he's an interior designer? He's only 18 years old. Hello everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, DIY projects and shopping tips, all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and if you already subscribed, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new decorating idea. Today I'm real excited because I start a new series where I feature other male designers here at Ramon at Home. I believe that the best inspiration comes from others' inspiration, so I'm gonna make it my job to find new interior designers to share ideas with you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Let's get started. Back when I lived in Kansas, I heard about this kid. His name is Presley and he is an interior designer. He's fresh out of high school. He's only 18 years old, but his work is absolutely magnificent. I asked him to do me a favor to share with us some of his interior design challenges that he's been through. Believe it or not, at 18 years old, he's already won some competitions in his hometown. So let's go talk to Presley and see what he has to say about interior design. Alright Presley, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Presley Busenberg. I'm 18 and interior design is a passion and hobby of mine.
Presley, can you share with us, how do you get into interior design?
I got into design after I toured one of my favorite homes in my hometown, and after seeing that sparked my interest to try to find beauty and make beauty in everybody's home.
Tell everybody, who is your favorite designer?
Ralph Lauren is definitely my favorite designer. I love the way he can mix traditional and contemporary in a sophisticated manner, and also the way he uses textures and fabrics that you wouldn't typically think go together, but they really do.
Presley, will you share with us, what is your favorite interior design style?
My favorite style, I would say, would be my go-to at all times, and that's eclectic with a little bit of French and fullness touch.
Will you tell us what inspires you to create beautiful spaces?
I wouldn't say there's a single thing that inspires me to create. Like my green pillows, they were inspired by awnings on an old building. So I can find inspiration in everything.
Alright, I really want everybody to know about the competition you won in high school. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
The competition was at Bartle Hall in Kansas City, Missouri, and it's easily said to be the best 3 days of my life. We created a custom mood board for our application, and they gave us a fake client to create a bedroom for. And so I created mine and turned it in, and then I found out that I was picked out of 10 to come back to the home show and display it for experts to review. So that night, the experts reviewed our mood board, and they picked 2, and I was one of them. And so that night, they gave us $500 and all the way till noon the next day to go buy everything for your live design on the floor of the home show. So the next day at noon, I came with all my stuff I bought, and I had from noon to 6 that night to create the whole bedroom for the competition. The next day we all met up, and on the stage they announced the winner, and I am the first winner of the Junior Design Challenge in Kansas City.
Wow, I really wish that I would have the opportunity to enter a competition at your age. Congratulations, you did a fantastic job. Presley, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Where do I see myself in 5 years? I see myself out of school and looking for a job that's anything related to interior design. I
have no doubt that you will achieve your goals. You are really good at what you do. Now tell us, do you have a favorite space in your home?
My bedroom is something I've always had decked out for every season, every time of the year. I just love it. I've had 3 different bedrooms that I've customized to my liking. Everything is inspired by things that I love. It's everything that I work for. It is just my favorite place to be. Hey everybody, welcome to my bedroom. Let me take you on a little tour. First out, I'd like to show you my hospitality cart. This is where I come grab my towel, hand towels, all my toiletries are in here, my Q-tips in here, and all my colognes. This is part of my room that gets used every day. It's useful, organized, and very fashionable. The next piece I'd like to show you is my desk. Now before this, I did use it as an ordinary desk, but now I use the desk for storage, and on top of it, it allows me to showcase my design style, like my weekly flowers that I get and all my design experiments. My new experiment is using books, opening them up, and displaying them like this. I love it. I love the texture and the colors and the cool details that come in from the books. The next piece I'd like to show you is my newest addition to my room, and probably my favorite, is my chair. Now, I found this on the Facebook Marketplace probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I bought it when the wood was light wood, all banged up, and the fabric was a green and gold velvet material. So I bought it and brought it home and saw the vision for it. And so I spray painted the wood a chocolate brown and put micro-suede black fabric and white buttons with white trim to bring out the detail in it. And then just found this fun throw pillow and threw it in there. And lastly, and most importantly, my bed. And my bed showcases everything I love about design. I love black and white stripes, and my top comforter has black and white stripes. My favorite color combination is hunter green and navy blue, and that's exactly what I have here up front. In the back here, I have 6 greenery pieces, and the frames actually match the chocolate wood on my chair. And my favorite part, lastly, is my hurricane with my green sticks in here. I picked up 4 in a hurricane and put them together, and it reminds me of like a live tree. I hope you all enjoyed my tour, and thank you so much for watching.
Wow, Presley, your room is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot believe how much beautiful stuff you have in there. And lastly, Presley, can you tell people where they can find you?
You can follow me on Facebook at PB Interior Design and on Instagram at PB Interior Design.
What do you guys think? Wasn't Presley's work just absolutely fantastic? And he's only 18 years old. I am so amazed by his work ethic and also his design aesthetic. I cannot believe how much talent this young guy has. He has a bright future ahead of him. I know, I have a feeling that he's gonna do great in the interior design world. I really do believe that the future of interior design lies in the hands of these young designers. So do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up for him and leave him a comment down below. Let him know what you think about his interior design aesthetic. If you like this video, I'm gonna link up on the iCard a playlist with all of my interior design work so you can check it out. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Until next time, bye. Right here, a collection of all of my design work so you can check it out. If you like this video, I'm gonna link up on the iCard a collection. If you like this video, I'm gonna link up on the iCard. It's not a collection, what is it?